Okay, so for fluency today, it said Albert weighs 82 and 5/10 pounds. Melissa weighs 62 and 4/10 pounds. And Jack weighs 101 and 6/10 pounds. So an elevator can carry 4 times their total weight. So that's our clue for this. 4 times their total weight. How many pounds can the elevator carry? So we have to figure out what's 4 times their total weight. So figuring out what the total weight is means by adding up their weight. So we have 8, 2.5. Then we have to add 62.4. 0.4. And then we have to add 101.6 still. So we put our decimal point. And then put our 6. And then we have to put 101. So we put our 1. Based off of the place values, please remember we line up based off place values. And we have to add them up now. Drop our decimal point straight on down. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So I put my 5 and bring up my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So I put my 4. Bring up my 1. And then I say 1 plus 1 is 2. So right now, all of those 3 people that we weighed and found out their total weight is 246.5. But the elevator can carry 4 times that amount. So we have to multiply by 4. So remember, we first take out our decimal point, and now we have to multiply by 4. So I'm going to start you off, and then you are going to finish this. All right? So we have to do 5 times 4, which is 20. So I put my 0 below and my 2 above. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So I put my 6 and then bring up my 2. So now you need to start and finish it. 4 times 4 plus 2. And then you would do 4 times 2 plus whatever you bring up here. And remember, you have to move the decimal point 1 time. Okay? So please finish the multiplication and move that decimal point 1 time. And then you are going to write your answer over here. So you would write your answer, so whatever your answer is, and label it pounds. All right? Good luck.